and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for egg roll or egg wrap. It's a very quick and easy breakfast or lunchbox recipe. So let's see how it is done. In the first step, I'll prepare the dough for the roll. I'll prepare 2 rolls for today. So I've taken here half a cup of wheat flour. You may make it even with all-purpose flour or maida. I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, around 1/2 teaspoon of cooking oil. So we'll first mix it, and I'll add little water at a time to prepare a soft dough. So here I have prepared a soft and smooth dough. I've smeared some oil on top to prevent it from drying. We'll set it aside until we prepare the next ingredients. For 2 rolls I have taken here 2 eggs. So we'll beat 1 egg at a time. I'll just add a pinch of salt and some black pepper powder, some finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chili, that's optional, and we'll beat it really well until airy and fluffy. Okay, the egg mixture is ready now. In the next step, we will prepare the vegetable filling. So for 2 rolls, I'll add around 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, some finely chopped bell peppers or capsicum, some sliced cabbages, and some finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You may use grated cheese or cream cheese instead of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and a teaspoon of chili sauce. You may use any chili sauce of your choice. You may even use green chili sauce as well. We'll mix everything really well. If the sauces contain enough salt, you may not need any salt. Alright, the filling is also ready. So in the next step, we'll make the chapati. For that, I'll take half of the dough. So if you don't want to go through this process, you may use ready-made tortilla, or even you may make it with leftover chapati. So we'll just roll it between the palm to make it into a smooth ball, and I'll dust it in loose flour. So onto the contour surface, I will add some loose flour to prevent it from sticking, and I'll just roll it with a rolling pin into a flat round disc. So I've rolled the chapati as thin as possible. It is around 1 millimeter thick. I'll place the chapati onto a pan which is heating over medium heat. So when you see that the upper surface is dried up and you will see small air bubbles, we'll just press it down with a kitchen towel so that it cooks uniformly. So just after a minute, you see that the lower surface has cooked. So we'll just flip it. So we'll now turn the heat to a minimum and add the beaten egg onto the cooked surface. So make sure that it covers the whole chapati. So we'll now cover it and let the egg cook. When the egg has cooked, we'll add some oil on top and flip it. And just cook it for a few seconds on the other side. So just after a few seconds, we'll take it onto the plate with the egg surface on top. So in the middle of this chapati, we'll place half of our filling. To roll it, we will need some aluminum foil or tissue. We'll place it under the chapati, just 1/3 of the way through, and then just cover it from both the sides and flip over the aluminum foil and wrap it so that it stays in place. Egg roll is ready. So hope you liked my simple egg wrap or egg roll recipe. It's very filling and healthy as well because it contains eggs and vegetables. You can make it very quickly if you have some leftover chapati or tortillas. You can even take it in lunchbox for school or work. Do give it a try and post your feedback. You may also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description box below. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.